Hello friends, good morning. My name is Isha Patel. Today I would like to talk about our missile man Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So please listen to me carefully. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was a great scientist and ideal teacher. He was the 11th president of India. His full name was Dr. Abul Pakir Jainulabdin Abdul Kalam. He was born on 15th October 1931. His father name is Jainulabdin and his mother name Ashiamma. He is a very hardworking student since his childhood. He studied aerospace engineering from Madras Institute of Technology. He wrote many books like Wings of Fire and India 2020, etc. He he makes many missiles like Agni and Prithvi. He that time all people know as the missile man of India. He he played important role in Pokhran 2 1998. He he is a great scientist and he is a very struggleful life. Thank you so much for listening me carefully.